Good morning, everyone. Smart Winbig here. Today we have 5 stocks on my pre-market watch list. Tickers are VXRT, EXPR, MRNA, NIO, and IBIO. First, let's start out here with VXRT. Um, they had the results from an influenza challenge study published. Um, so today they have nice volume. Um, they have nice price movement. I wish this was up here more, but again, we still have an hour till market opens, so you can see price start to rise here. We have strong support right here during pre-market. Um, so I'm looking for this to get up here. If this can break 80, it'd be a good runner for the day. So definitely going to keep an eye on this one. Next, uh, let's see, XPR Express. They're talking about having 200 million, I believe. Um, free cash flow to 90 million to 110 million by 2022. Um, so this I've been watching this stock for a while. Um, it's in this channel right now, or it was in this channel, and it broke out, which I noticed, and I got on this. Now it's coming back in. And then yesterday it broke support. So if this comes back up and breaks this right here, it might be good to take a nice swing position and ride this back up to around here, 520 range, or it could run to 520. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it. If it, I'm not, this one's not really like a breakout, but it has potential to get to 520 on a swing, possibly higher than that. So I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. But it's not looking bad. Next, let's look at MRNA. This one is looking nice this morning. Here's the daily. So we're in this channel right here. So resistance today is around 23.10, 23.28. And then we look at the minute chart. Uh, Here's the long-term resistance band. Um, so this is the long-term resistance band. As you can see, it's kind of consolidating around this band. Um, if you can break above this and then break above this, you're gonna have probably a big runner today. So I'm gonna definitely keep an eye on this one. But if it can break this first, needs to be broken, or stayed above, and then this has to be broken, and it will run like crazy today. So I'm definitely keeping an eye here. Um, I would keep a close eye on this one. This one's looking nice. Next, let's look at Neo. Um, Neo has a nice setup this morning. Um, we got support here at around 540. Um, but here's the big thing about this. You're not going to play this 548 here. You're going to want to play this 550, 556, I believe. I can't see because this thing's blocking it, but 556 is what you'd want to play here. This is long-term resistance. Let's look at the long-term chart. So here's a couple price levels to look at. We break this 556, then we go to 6. We break the 6, or we break the 556. This is the 556. We go to 6, and then after that, it's probably around 650. Um, so just keep an eye here. If we break this 556 level, look for it to get the 6. And it's moving nicely here, as we can take a look at the Bollinger Bands here. We had the tap of this upper band, which shows strong bullish strength. Again, when we're over top, look how it comes back down and finishes near that band. Um, and now we're riding this one, which is similar to what Snap's doing. Oh, zoom out a little bit here. But you see we're still above this band. So you can expect price to move up into here today, at least. So if it holds below this 550 and consolidates in this range, I have no problem with it. But at most, you're probably going to see 6 today. Um, so keep an eye on Neo. And then last one, I'm not a fan of this stock, but it does have signs of potential. so I wouldn't want to miss out on it. Um, no news today, but just by the way it's moving. Um, as you can see here, we got the tap of this upper band. Really didn't mean much here as this was coming down. So price has been sitting here. The bands are tight. Now we're starting to get some movement. These are starting to get a little bit wider. Um, if this breaks this 37 level, you can expect a run at least up to 50 around there, I think, and then probably a massive sell-off because people are going to take profits. But you can probably get this to around 50, and if it gets above this line and holds, I take a swing position for the next day. Those are just a couple stocks to watch. Good luck, and let's make some money today.